We were just talking about this new iPad that's being unveiled here at Lane Tech High School. We do have pricing now, Carl, for this iPad. The new iPad is going to be offered for schools for $299. Apple's saying it's going to be available to order today. It's going to start shipping and arriving in stores this week. Also, a little bit more, we talked about how this new iPad, Carl, is going to support Apple Pencil. Clearly, a big push here today is this focus on augmented reality. Listen, we know Tim Cook is excited about a lot of technologies, none more so than AR. So executives are on stage talking about some new AR apps, including one they're calling Boulevard AR. Apparently, this is going to allow students to virtually walk through museums and check out artwork. We're going to keep listening to these headlines, bringing you more as they come. Carl, back to you.
Josh?
Yeah, definitely interesting announcements, Josh. I wonder if analysts are saying anything to you about the likely impact on Apple's iPad business. It has been down for several quarters now, and Apple pretty much gave up the education market as it focused on mobile. Is this likely to have any impact?
Well, the iPad business is interesting, John. Certainly, listen, that overall tablet market we know has been under pressure. It shrank about 7% last year, though Apple actually grew about 3%. If you look at their holiday quarter, John, that iPad franchise units were up about 1%. Revenue was up about 6%. And that was actually the third straight quarter where Apple saw growth for the iPad revenue. So certainly, Cook must be hoping that this can help that iPad business, and maybe not even directly right now, John, but also, listen, a big part of this today is Cook wants as many kids as possible getting more comfortable with iPads, with services, with apps, so that hopefully they stay Apple loyalists long after they leave the classroom, John.
Yeah, I wonder a bit if they're living in an alternate reality on this one, in that they put out this commercial where a kid doesn't know what a computer is because they're on an iPad, but really they're using Chromebooks, which look a lot more like computers. Apple certainly doing the right thing, it seems, raising their cloud game with this. We'll see how it goes. Pricing for consumers on this, $329, Josh?
$299, John.
Right, for schools.
Yes.
Got it.
And free iCloud
Correct.
storage goes from 5 gigs to 200 gigs. Free cloud.
Yeah.
For students, that's the key. As Bob just said a moment ago, I'm going back to school.
Yeah, a full-service iPad for $299. I'm signing up for that.
Is some Cook?
All right. Yes. So, Josh, I hear you also have some sound for us from Tim Cook right now.
Yeah, we want to play you some sound right now. Cook talking about this initiative, the big push in education, on stage right behind me here. Take a listen.
At Apple, we care deeply about education because we love kids and we love teachers. We love creativity and curiosity, and we know that our products can help bring out the creative genius in every kid. That's why education is such a big part of who we are as a company, and has been for 40 years. Starting back in 1978, Apple saw the incredible opportunity to bring powerful computer technology to everyone, including kids and teachers. We had a unique insight into how technology could inspire kids. We created a comprehensive curriculum called Everyone Can Code. So
Cook there talking about not just the initiative today, but Apple's history in this market. As John has pointed out, though, certainly has a fight on its hands. Google right now, with that 60% share, simply dwarfs the competition. Microsoft actually comes in second at 18%, guys, and Apple coming in third here. iOS devices representing about 16% of shipments last year. Back to you.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.